Hello, and this will show you how to disable one of the SIM in a dual SIM Android phone. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, you have to just simply open your settings application on your device. Now, once you will do that, you will find a lot of options. But the option that you're looking for should be called SIM preference or anything related to SIM. You can also search for the SIM option over here in the search panel. And you should be able to see SIM options, like, for example, dual SIM, SIM lock, SIM card, and a lot of options like that. So just let me choose one of the options. Now, once you will be inside one of them, you would have two options. And in the two options, you'll find the two SIMs that you have. The SIM which is in the slot 1 and the SIM which is in the slot 2. Now, if you were to disable any one of the SIM, all you have to do is just click on the toggle option in front of the particular SIM which you want to disable. Once you will tap on it, you will find the SIM have been inactivated. As you can see, it is already written. Now, the only active SIM that you have is this one that is in the slot 2. So, that's it. And is this helpful? Please consider subscribing and liking the review.